Participation and selection may vary. Tax and gratuity excluded.
Hey guys, so we could do through this one, which is totally, up to you how you gonna do. So I'm gonna open this right now. So it is already uh, trying to find out the all locations. I hope you can see from your distro. From I'm using the tools. So here a lot of the tools I'm gonna show you right now. So that you can understand how I'm supposed to do these things. I don't know what happened to the music is going on. I did that for just randomly trying to find something. So I use this one. This is the salvia. What is salvia? These are the ports or switches. So this is a post actually. So this is so that's why it is manageable. It doesn't have access inside. Just use Ghostwriting. Indicate the person. मिल जाए तो कहना वो लड़की मिल जाए तो कहना धूप में पलकों को कस के वो मीचती चलती हो जिंदगी के कश कहीं खींचती वो लड़की मिल जाए तो कहना हाँ वो लड़की मिल जाए तो कहना So yes, we found it. So if you guys give me 1 second of this, so that I could just mute this thing. This is one of my favorite songs. Sorry about that, guys. So this is M mapping tools. These are the commands. So let me show you how to find these commands so that you can find. See, 256. This is the port which is open. This is open SSH, means these are the host key. SSH host key. These are open. So ECDSA and ED, these are the serial number for ED version. So you can see engines, these are the proxy, but it is open. AD TCP is open. Though it is a proxy, but it is open. See, so it took 47 seconds. And this is these are the very common IP address or port address. So we found this uncommon proxy. I think it is a proxy one. So scanned in 292.83 seconds. It's not 47 seconds. I'm so sorry. This is 292.83 seconds. It almost like multiply by 7 multiply by 6. No. Six, almost like 5 minutes. Almost like 5 minutes. It took to found this server location, which is very server location. This is 22nd November 2022, 2027, which is GMT, which is 3:34. Yep. So so I'm not really showing anything yet here. So let me give you the command line so that you can understand. So when you do the n mapping, so for n map you do this thing. Sorry about that. And you just do the help. So when you do the help, so see nmap help. So it showed you this all of this um, commands. So these are the target specification. This is scanning tool. So it will scan for you. So these are lot of commands you can really do, such as SL list scan. Simply just whoever you want to target the IP. It's targeting, meaning it doesn't mean that you are attacking somebody. So you can scan with this list scan. Ping scan is a disable port scan. This is totally dangerous kind of scanning, so don't even use it. So I'm gonna use with this some several like very non-violentative things, such as I'm gonna go with the sometimes probably output, which is increase verbosity level and use minus VV for more for greater effect. But you can jump into these are all not preliminary. These are very high skilled commands. So minus reprint version number, these are very high skillful command. So if you use this kind of command, it can definitely bother you, and sometimes it will block your uh, like all activity. Not only will block your activity, it will close your account. Definitely it will close your Kali Linux account. Okay, these are the I hope you guys all know you have to jump into Linux through Oracle virtual box machine, and you have to do this. For example, if you just go and minus v version, which is version number, and then you go with the website which you want to go for. So for that, you can find some local version, for example, local Home Depot. So then you just go into this Home Depots. These are the nearby Home Depot. So this is the website. So this is the open website. So this is the open port. So open ports have not so many uh, not too many things. So if you even go with these things, so common name and these things, it doesn't even is trying to scan this thing. It is not allowing to scan. So if you go with the nmap minus a, which is the enable the detection version detection script scanning minus a is a very high intellectual command. So it will give you almost everything, even though the IPv6 number. So if you go www.homedepot.com slash, then you go to m first Okay, so it found something scanned in, but there is no IP addresses. They couldn't found any IP addresses on this. So if you just go to and ping minus a, which is a common, go with this. This is organization. So you are targeting the whole organization. Let me see. It is still starting and it is still scanning. So let me see. Yes, it found one IP address. So see, so you have to use some technically use your brain. If you cannot really find the nearby places, then it won't sometimes work. But when you do technically some, so you basically found one of the IP address here. So this is Google. So this is Google user content. So though it is an IP address, as I said before, whenever you if it is have any proxy, it will show you this 10.022 common IP port. So it is not really, you didn't hack anything with this. So you basically found the Google user IP based address, which is totally fine. Which is totally fine. So you now you go to this thing who is this. Don't even try to find anything. I didn't tell you. Not never use this. What is that? Microsoft Edge browser. So this is not good for you. So always try to go with the Mozilla Firefox. If nobody has the Mozilla Firefox, the update one is the best one, I must say. So always try to update your Mozilla Firefox and do not sign in into those Mozilla Firefox. So then you just select this. Uh, I don't know why is it not working. Okay, so you have to scan this thing and something like this. Then you might use this thing. Okay. Now you can see the Google LLC abuse PDP. These are the version numbers actually. So you found the Google user content. So hostname is Google user content. Country is United States of America for sure. And so who is the provider? You found the provider, which is hostname is this one. This is the host. Uh, and that particular IP, that particular IP which I'm talking about, this IP is provided by Google to who? To HomeDepot.org. This is the organization. So when you targeting some specific organization, you can find this through the Google. So you basically cannot really hack anything when you have something like this. But at least you know these providers or server providers are totally tactical, which is lot of proxies are invariable. Lot of proxies are already barrier on that route, so you cannot really find the original IP provider. So this is totally absolute, but you have this port. At least you have this port so that you know, but you can use the phishing thing. You can use the phishing. I can go with the NS lookup. I think I'm gonna go with the this is nothing. So I'm gonna go NS lookup. So here, see, these are very common IP. These are basically proxy IP. So even if you go with the NS lookup, so it will go you 192, 168, 1 and 1. These are very common IP. Very common IP. So don't even think about it. So canonical, I mean, not canonical, canonical name. Basically, these are canonical names are like made name. They basically made it so that people can understand. Okay, this is HomeDepot.org. This is not basically HomeDepot.org. This is basically somebody else. I mean, whose are the proxy makers or proxy providers? They basically named their host as HomeDepot.org. Basically, this is not so easy. So at least you know how to do this when you have authentication from the company. So you have this process. You just follow through with this, and you could do definitely any other organizational things. So if you go with the backgroundlibrary.org, this is a very common port as well. So this is basically for educational. This is nothing for hacking. This is nothing for uh, uh, doing any scamming or something. So this is basically educational purpose. So when you have this card, so your report is scanning for you, and it will give you a very common IP. So this is not basically hacking. So hacking is totally different thing. So you basically can get this IP, and through that IP, you so see this is 192. So basically, you found a very logical, definitely logical, but and traceable. Like you can really enter into that IP and you can use it. So usable IP. So these are the usable IP you found it so far. So some IPs are really not protected because they don't really carry too much information. Like informations like I mean to say informations like bank data or banking password or transactional route. So they don't really carry those information. So that's why these IPs are very safe. So organizations or providers or hosts really made it open. You understand my point or not? I'm not sure, but this is really very tactical. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and let me know if I have done anything wrong. Let me know what you want to know. And I'm not really a lecturer, or I'm not doing any video on hacking. So these are the parts. So you can be basically use by the authentication by the authenticators. Like if you work for a particular cybersecurity company, then all that company have the authenticator to you, and then you can do this information gathering and everything. Other than that, it is not really authenticated by anybody. All right, thank you so much.